The Sacramento County Sheriff's Office is hosting a town hall. They plan to talk about what they call misconceptions about the mental health diversion program.
They say criminals and defense attorneys are taking advantage of the program and using it as a get-out-of-jail-free card.
But we're also hearing from a defense attorney who says the program is actually working.
That's right. And ABC 10's Roxanne Elias joins us live from the town hall with the details tonight. Roxanne, what can people expect?
Well, Chris and Laura, we're just a few minutes away from that town hall starting here behind me at 6:30. And Sacramento leaders such as Sheriff Jim Cooper and District Attorney Thien are expected to share their concerns with this program they say is allowing criminals to go free or to reoffend.
The cops are handcuffed, the DAs are handcuffed, the courts are handcuffed, and it's because of this law.
Sergeant Amar Gandhi is talking about the mental health diversion program that became law in 2018. It allows defendants with mental health disorders to receive treatment instead of being sentenced to jail or prison. Gandhi says people's misconceptions are that if an offender has a mental health disorder, then they're going to a mental health facility to be treated, but instead they're being released into the public.
Think about someone who's beat a child as a felony charge of beating a child to the point of death. They can get to that point and it's completely wiped off. So it means they can go apply to be a school teacher. And it won't ever show up on their background.
Right now, the only charges that exempt a defendant from applying for the program are murder, rape, and child sex crimes. However, defense attorney Mark Reichel says in his experience, the program is working the way it should.
If you have a mental health professional who gives you a diagnosis that you have one of the listed conditions, and if it is a motivating and contributing factor in your commission of the crime, and if you agree to a treatment program that the court comes up with, it could be a very strict treatment program, then you qualify.
He says 5 of his clients have utilized the program, and it has taken them down a path of success. Reichel says no system is perfect, and he doesn't dispute the sheriff's office being upset when it doesn't work.
The way I see it is the guardrails are there. The lawyer can have the client apply for it. The judge is the one who grants it. So defense lawyers can use it all they want, but the DA's office can always oppose it. Probation doesn't have to sign off on it, and the judge is the final one who bangs the gavel.
The sheriff's office supports AB 46, which is a bill that would give judges the discretion to consider public safety when reviewing diversion requests. They say it's a step forward, but they're still hoping that the town hall will lead to new possibilities.
We're really hoping this inspires some change within the legislature first, and if not, maybe explore some other steps on some grassroots efforts or, maybe some other avenues.
Tonight's meeting will start with a small presentation. They will then highlight the law and what it means, and they will share some of their insights on how they feel about the law. And then some of the people here will be able to ask questions and have a discussion. I'm live in Sacramento. Roxanne Elias, ABC 10.
Well, Roxanne, we know this program has a lot of people talking. We'll have more coverage throughout the night. Roxanne Elias, thank you for the update.